Hello everyone, welcome back to TFFC, Tips for Future CAs 2025. In my previous videos, I discussed SPOM FAQs, SPOM Set A and Set B strategies. Today, let's talk about SPOM Set C. I appeared for all four SPOM examinations in May 2026. I'm sure those who have seen my previous videos, they might be aware with this, but I just want to make you trust whatever I am saying in this video. That's why I want to say that I cleared all of them in my first attempt. Everything I'll share in this video is based on my personal preparation and exam experience. If this video helps you, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, the very first thing I want to do is give you a brief of the paper, how it goes. So, just one thing I want to say is that Set A and Set B, you have no choice of papers. You have to give law for Set A, and Set B, you have to give costing. But Set C and Set D are elective papers. That is, in Set C, you have 10 different options to choose from, and you have to give only one. You have to choose one and appear for that. So, how it works is you have to choose one, you have to watch the lectures, and you have to appear for the test. At any point of time, you can change your choice. If you think that it is not what you want to do, then you can change it. It's just that you have to watch the lectures of that particular paper, and then only you can appear for the test. I hope this is very clear. Next, what I want to do is I want to answer a very one of the most common questions student asks. Which optional paper should I select? In Set C, there are 10 choices. Which one should I select? So I can't comment on every optional paper because I haven't attempted them, but I chose arbitration and I found it to be a very good choice. Personally, I felt it was comparatively simple and manageable. Of course, choose the paper that suits your interests, but based on my experience, I was happy with my decision to opt for Set C. Now, let's discuss the exam pattern. So, duration is 2 hours. Total questions 80. Individual MCQs would be 1 mark each, and case study based MCQs would be 2 marks each. Although there are more questions than Set A and Set B, I found the paper manageable because many questions are straightforward if your concepts are clear. If your conceptual understanding is fine, then I think it won't be much of an issue. So, 2 hours with 80 questions is not a big problem. You can manage it. Then, to talk about the material that I followed, for my preparation, I kept it very simple. So, I referred to concise notes and watched revision videos that helped me understand the concepts quickly. I didn't use multiple sources. I focused on understanding the content once and revising it properly. Sometimes keeping your resources limited is the best strategy. So what I used is I watched CA Recruits videos and I also referred to their notes. That's it. That's all I did for SETC prep. And then my preparation time, if you really want to understand that why I chose arbitration, is my preparation time. This was the quickest, one of the quickest, because definitely Set B is more quicker than this. This was one of the quickest SPOM paper for me. I prepared for around 6 hours, essentially one day before the examination. I wouldn't recommend this approach to everyone. Like you can at least take 2 days, but 2 days is also enough. Like you don't need to give more time to Set C than that. Just 2 days. 2 days of 4 hours. I think 4 to 5 hours. 2 days is max that you have to give for Set C. I'm simply sharing what worked in my case because I already had time available and found the syllabus manageable. If you have more time, definitely spread your preparation over a few days. Like I said, 2 days. Preparation strategy. My strategy was straightforward. Finish the notes completely. Watch revision videos wherever required. Revise the important concepts once before the exam. Since the syllabus is comparatively concise, revision plays a very important role. Now coming to some tips, read every case study carefully. Even if the questions appear easy, don't answer in a hurry. Pay attention to the facts given in the question before selecting your answer. Stay calm and read every option carefully. Final advice that I would like to give you guys is if you are planning to choose Set C, don't overcomplicate your preparation by hovering over which choices, kya choose kare, what should I choose? My friend is choosing IBC, this one's choosing risk management, what to do? I would say, trust me, you should go for arbitration. I think it was the best choice that I could have made. So study from one reliable source, understand the concepts, revise them properly, and you'll be well prepared. Based on my personal experience, arbitration was one of the more manageable SPOMs at C's papers. I hope this video helps you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TFFC Tips for Future CAs 2025. Thank you for watching and all the very best for your SPOM examinations.